아니 다다 성로 아니 샤라 가르다 닝고 예 닝고 델리샤다 아마지다 님의 공차 디상 남시 요르 체주산에 직zam자지 니 저버르시도와 안드네 두산에 아니 당게 샤라 니어 중요비체 안다더지 송주거리야 지지는 니 본예연이야 니디 소에 가서 아니 얘기 내가 얘기지 다 냠도지 다 너나 다 다낭에 쉬는 신체네 너나 니 타관에 네 취지 제와 선비나 아니 윤제메 바랑 섬래야 다용 제과야 돼 계속 모르겠어
Good afternoon to all of you. Probably after having had a good lunch and the weather being what it is these days, so probably there will be a tendency to fall asleep. And so anyway, maybe you can alternate falling asleep and listening. And so in any event, as I was telling earlier, in essence, that if one genuinely wants to practice Dharma, then one need to attend to one's mind consistently.
다 어느 정도 다 되려야 안에 최경고 렌데기 답 뭐야 최경고 안에 렌데기 다 가르쳐야 돼 세브랑 고문 고대 안에 최경고 렌데기 주고야 받당 안 람림경고 람림경당 고주가 배 고자하게 더부르디 안에 텐조니 징거 봐 텐조니에 바까와다 텐조니가 다제 저 시수지를 최경고배 야가게 더부지 여러바다 안 야가게도 사야르지 근데 렌데기 싱거바다 아니 람림경고 텐조니가니 징고 레스 제데 순수지 여레스 나데스 주보셨다 람림지기 시기 양배 주보 얘기겠지 최경고의 레균제와 레균제는 고주고야지다 아니 람림데 텐조 니가 사마라다 텐조는 고진고야지 두순거레스 some trouble here.
So, as it is said that one begins the path of the Dharma and through cultivating the understanding about the truth of cause and effect, and then one begins that is to begin the path of the Dharma in general, and one begins the stages of practice on the path through first recognition of the well-favored, that is precious human existence.
곰체 소마르베다지 다 곰친게 망보다 변다 곰친 곰장게 증면에 셰비네야 아니다 가수에지 곰경고 송단디 지당량 지 류네 차와당 베지 류네 차와당 안다나 시지 대발라 소바는 고 송단지 송구 요아레스 이나야 에네양지 제용 차례 제비 미나 아는 곰 탐지게 통마 야가르게다 충분히 가르스나다 정규리야 따야 되레스 장기 규리야베 따제샤디 나땡아 주지 곰제버츠다 곰딱 곰제버 인생에도 맞저 상으로 대사지 곰의 잉여지 바르셔 봐 메디테이션지 가르치지 인체제베 상으로 지 곰의 잉여지 바르셔 반은 제시해지 참여지 다 종종지 루상상르체 에너지 비게 가수의 찬념샤로 제지 내리니 뭐요래 다 임비네 오늘지 곰데 내든 드라마한도다 에너지 곰도 드라마도 사디 아가 주지 조데 에너 장심레베 정규가 그렇지 nga rang gyo nge song ma song ta ane kulon sange nge si ma sing ta de jili ara le de yo imre de le du ti gyun sen de nge bar do ane rang gyu ta ba ne wo zu de ane gom kya go ya de ke chim res
So in the case of practice of meditation, as a meditator, also there is obviously a way to begin the meditation, that is to enter into the practice of meditation. And generally it is said that one, in beginning meditation, one should know how to get into the proper posture of the body, and then invoking within one certain amount of faith or conviction. But so even though these things are being said, but what is most important, and also in accordance with the tradition, is that one needs to attend to oneself closely. That is, one should take into account the state of one's mind. So from that point of view, and these days, of course, some popular interest is there when it comes to meditation, sort of fancying about it, or certain amount of interest is expressed, so that one can see with that kind of interest or seemingly enthusiasm certain people sitting up rather upright and applying certain postures or the gestures of the body. But that is not necessarily an indication very effective practice of meditation is happening, because whether the effective practice of meditation or application of meditation is happening or not is determined by how well one is able to attend to the sort of the mode of one's mind, or where one's mind is at, in that being able to guard oneself from the different faults creeping in, or being able to catch the flaws of the mind, as well as being able to check one's motivation, and that one's proper motivation along the line of the meditation is intact. So in this way, what is most important is that one sincerely attend to the workings of one's mind at any given moment.
Rangulia Taji Shabi Mina and Rangun Rangi Gundang and Gulon Sangi Kanji Min and Mersinje Telea and Dolen Chadang Langdor Chad Langdor Chene Carjues Chajigi Jing Goto Yungres Tendeji Chumbu Imina and a Kali Kaliji Chamba the Shishin Saji Yonga Zawayore. But Chamba the Shishin Chumbuina, but the thing is that Zawar Chadi or today in Dusane, the Mazuda, Com Javasan and Dado, something Gomasan and Dado, things Gomasan and Dado, Danaji Shilagi. And ta com Yamsulebe Kablia, Yabardo, and a Shimas and Andado, Tambon Gozu Yundu, and that is Rungu Tabata, Maria Richard Guade catch Menros.
So, when one is able to closely examine one's mind, and with some sense of scrutiny, then obviously whatever faults and mistakes become more apparent, and in terms of how correct or mistaken one's motivation will also become apparent. And when that becomes, then obviously it becomes more practical as to now what is it that one need to embrace, any virtuous elements, and what are mistaken and non-virtuous elements that one need to rid oneself of. And so actually one is in a position to make a more constructive or practical beginning. And if that were to take place, then we can say gradually there is the possibility of being able to improve in terms of both mindfulness and then consistent mental awareness in terms of vigilance or consistent vigilance. So, and when that happens, then whatever name one gives to it, whether one talks in terms of practice of meditation or meditative sort of samadhi and training in the stabilizing of one's mind, in essence, that one is able to move towards cultivating the Shine and Lakthong or Shamatha and Vipassana aspect of meditative practice. And so once again, it must be emphasized, the very foundation and basis for the practice of meditation is thorough or proper self-examination, that is self-examination in connection with one's mind.
Tandona Namdo the Nawa Jidash Shavi Mina Telea Lamsing that Denka Mother Wachen. That Denka Denka Mother Wachen. And it didn't debate room the maroon be somehow the day be some shit which and Danashi and a Danashi didn't de Kashwe Mirung Yambra, the day Totanepa Gaba Yimina Lo Churchos go to Bures Namdona Namdo now Karshabi and Azu Yunji Namdola Jishavi and Afsan Telebeji Gabjor Cheche or Teleabe Kashwe Dankar Cheche and DJs down to and Anashi Nawach Shavi and Afsan Tea Jesu 가르쳐다 장체 로티 제순 장네 ane tajik sem garsho ji sem da chogyo wang do shor san da do ta de ji nam do wang do shor yun du san ne ane lo che su kol mi do de yong yo ares de yin du san ten da do di lang do che ane ben lang do len che su du san zo di nam do da nang wa ji sha na ya 지 샤샤르리아 텔레베 땡가르 제시 앞선에서 텔레 잡교르 젠 디기 제스당 데데 마집체 녜레야 소수 지 도스 가르에다 도스 스tam르스탄제 녜레야 아니 중다 미롱 아니 digde 미디사르 지 스tam르 도스 스탄제 안도나지 데데지기 간다지 소수 등지 자여베 지당 안다나시 아주 두유지 남도샤 마체지 에네 수시마인비 남도 야메지 롱마데 남도로 미기베 남도다 데제 망아 용도 가버레 디기딜리아베 커두 가르소야지 인데단 디 미롱와 이노제 데제가베 토타니 숭체바 까돔체도 중임이나 에네지 신의 지 로체스 거도 야르지 용도 가버레스
So, again, in essence, whatever in the way of thoughts arises in one's mind, and whatever in the way of apparent phenomena manifest or that one perceives, that one should not instantaneously, as one would ordinarily do, and follow the illusion of the sense of reality of such, and so therefore pursue it or surrender to it, and in that sense sort of succumb to the illusion of whatever reality that one has the notion of, and so which is to say, then one has not even given one's self the opportunity of the benefit of just sort of taking a look at it as to where does it fit in terms of appropriate or inappropriate to be embraced or to be discarded. And so it is important that if we sort of take the time to consider that whenever thoughts and appearances, whatever arises, we do not immediately sort of succumb to it, but take the opportunity to examine and, for instance, generally we have most of the thoughts that we have and the appearances that we encounter are along the line of sufferings and non-virtuous or unwholesome outlook. So obviously that if we immediately surrender or succumb to the sense of reality of it, and that is like accepting defeat. But on the other hand, if we are able to bring some element of discernment, some element of the opportunity to kind of have a little control over what to embrace and what to abandon with some kind of discernment, so that would be the basis for being able to turn our mind towards the Dharma, and therefore also the beginning of being able to have some practical application of the discernment in terms of ethical discernment of what to embrace and what not. So that basis becomes important.
다 버지 드라마틱 교수 되나 가면 고르마 남조를 물지 중화시에 쇼수 남몽고로 가지고에 겨주지도를 개가와를 저도 그 규를 무슨 저번에 봐도 이제 지럽 유주 겨주는 셈이 뭐남 겨지 유를 모르 유를 만나는 거는 시계라도 그 규를 달아 저 수도 유를 뭐 일을 나버리는 거를 유를 일이도 왜 깨되는 신도 집에 당와 남 초도 교를 무지 중화시에 저 이기리서 교를 대한 대에 가서 타바도 통지인데 상계 토바는 되베스 다디 남조를 무지 중화대 베지 다 참바 체제배나 주제인다 안다는 신지 저게 참바사 근데 참바 지지 송시는 두세샤 제장다 통매 참바 당부디 에네 팡베 최주스 다 팡베 최주 제수 잠자잖아 다디 송이 민주사다 얘네야 팡베 최주디那都是当然人家都是来是的，然后的老毛就跑去结束。
So now the beginning with the text, this particular the teaching, the way the teaching presented in this particular text is a set of points for one to understand and to embrace, and there are then 10 sets of point or 18 sets of point and so forth. And so the begins with 10 sets of point and known as the 10 losses that one should 10 ways one can lose, so 10 losses that one should avoid.
다텔레야 도마 아니 주신 당부디나 아니 당부디 니에버가웨 밀루 장만디 미게 디벨라 쮸도 파스 다들 좋아진다.
So the first of these 10 is this, as it reads in this translation, this pure human body, so difficult to acquire, is lost in wrongdoing.
다 니에버가웨 밀루 대주 밀루 장만데스. 대주 밀루 장만 밀루 장만 밀루 장만들 와. 다 드네 텔레야 다디 버지 가주지 현토야르지 지당가 대조로 슬라두스안에 에네 담배취 주발라 롱예바 콤바예베 차네 에네 대화 취주베 친앙기 차견 상회 차네 에네 조르바 송요 다 데르베다 친앙기 차견 데레이냐 에네 지 다대양 오래 다들 이제 되게 주 강쇼네 에네 대화기에 상관 루쇼네 에네 저거 쭉 상대베 에네 밀루 좀 붙이 대리시 톱에 이미 있네요 아다디 지금 대조로야 님보 말을 붙이네 아니 미기 디벨레 바실이야 아니 가수다 다 배주는 거대야 솔직히 아들이 차대 방법 잘했어 제가 다른 사람이 아주 돈 지소 나눠래 지소 나눠야 아니 가다지 밀류 더 되버네 상호를 찍으래 이비네 아니 가셔지기 아니 고 가수래 딱 밀류 좀 되지 더 아니 지 랑도로 수림 성말을 랑도 수림 에틱 다 지게게 셰비나 배 상행기 랑도르 자유베 다 데가 다 남주 표도 중앙 된데베 아니 류된디 그지 미마도 안저브린디 털이야 나 소자신 엔데다베지 케주 수고르게 매비므 다 드레지 톱을 레디 이내 아주기 다다지 어르다 마시야 드레지는 게 망고셔로다 당연히 되바셔
So this particular point is something we can talk about. One is having acquired the favorable conditions of the leisure, and that is what we are free of, and therefore that then also the having the favorable conditions to be able to practice leisure and the favorable conditions to be able to practice. So both from the point of view of what needs to be gotten rid of and lack of freedom, and what needs to be acquired, the opportunity to practice. So therefore the 8 leisures and 10 prerequisites, the outer and inner favorable conditions to be able to practice the Dharma. And so in that way, that is a favorable, precious human birth. Yet, given the chance that we fail to benefit from this very special situation, and continuously wasted away indulging in whatever unwholesome and non-virtuous activities. And if that were to happen, it is certainly a tremendous loss. And so from that point of view, and so in our communities or in the world community, that if those of us who have acquired human birth, that we have acquired human birth while it's common to us, but of course the opportunities or the way which we use is different. And then along that same line, that among various species of beings, and we can say that it is only the human species that has the distinct quality or the characteristic of the ability for discernment along the line of Solon saying, like in English you say ethical ability for ethical discernment, and that is what is wholesome that can be embraced and unwholesome to be discarded, and it's only the human species that has the ability for the discernment.
안도나 점린디 톨이야 아니 경 맛있는 안돼 점린디 톨이야 아니 경의 지 사카시에 버시도와 rirjamd saya khashi yebshe do ta mi ro mi ri chazang ben ro mi ta ban de sha ka ba na go da an de ta se ba na go da ba gang gang lo be sam lo ju dom sha bi na ro mi ji de chazang do bi ne di geng ge ri ji ma do ma res ta ri saya ma bu ye be na ri ji cha ji ran cha yo res ta de ta ine ya 안 좋아 밀이야 등기 주변에시 그렇지 상에 란도로 차기 에네 누바 매도 중요지 알아요. 지 상초기 가수에 상초 차는 셰비나 아니 지 상초의 야게 뭐 체매바 드라이어지기 가수에다 뉴버럽지 동아예베지 뉴버럽지 대요래 다 이메이네야 아니 다데 아니 지딘디 저불린디 토래야 미 군주 랑도 수시 뭐 중앙에 되는 중에 간요 망부지기 칸에 대요래 배 차선 비미 디난다 간요 디난에 차시에로 지랑마 이미나 지게 엔베르지 둔주지 스큐바 망부지 배는 차단 파다 아니 지금 배는 랑과 세배 둔주지 스큐바 망부지 아주 미기 아니 세고 지부체도 사도 그냥 지부체 아니 나르주당 아니 지금 가수다 채소 초배 다 채소 초 진짜게 니주 내 망상 요한디 야래 대양 아주 군주 랑도 수시 뭐 좋아 아주 그 군주 랑도 제아 디나로래야 아니 심지 두두지 뭐지 베지 아 디나 뭐 좋배 드레지 주질 때는 요한디 다 되래야 당연 되지 시에잖아
So among many millions of species of living things or living organisms and beings included, and the human beings is just only one species of living being. And even though we can try to sort of make the number increase by saying that people of all different, races and people of different colors of hair and so forth, however we talk, but the reality is that it's just only one species of beings, and this species of being, that is human being, has the potential and ability for making tremendous difference in terms of the discernment, and therefore can perform activities of tremendous benefit, or activities of tremendous destruction or destructive proportion. And so given the reality, just as an example, given the reality of how we as human beings conduct ourselves, and how our attitude and actions manifest in the context of to be embraced for beneficial purposes, to be discarded because of the harm. And just to take one example of the human expressions of human intention and action that goes along with is when we think of just only the number of animals that we human beings consume for the purpose of food and maybe clothing, there is be it different kinds of birds or like chicken and larger animals and what have you. And so the way that we have tortured them, that we have destroyed them, we have consumed them, it seems like in the framework or the perimeter of what is wholesome to be embraced and what is unwholesome to be discarded, that these beings or these animals don't come into that picture of how human intention and action that seems to be apparent.
所想充满区区几的，浪不及钱不进，你所不有其中有二的，因为过年厕所了，还是其中有一个嘛嘞。这里就所想充满几，俺去，那这开水钱的三不当，浪不起不是三不你钱，但我看到所那个双电机三不咋的些，但因为呢俺做过。所区区一百的，严重一百以上，俺最开水去，他俩南面当出来就用多。哎，哪怕都就所在团队去忙不起来啊，俺最近开水把这，大汉的，从南面不是，对不对？伢的技术里不是从，咱们所在团队忙不起来，就从南面不是几个多啊，超下要么，这都超下要么是，但这里边年下了。就这里边大家都解决，这个什么的，你这里这个拿到了呀？我就大家都去解决这个事情，去讨论，那是这样子的心理的。但是这检查不是都检查的，你们都写上是。那过去看，大家肯定写不是啦。那，但皮把忙不去给用去，普通这个把忙不去给用去。你说我们把忙不去给，特别找自己干了要怕涨，这个下，那不么干些给大家，讲出拿到那边不在学术的都是，讲出这个当时了，俺不是挺难的，不么做，那不的把的就拿来那边不在学的都是这他们，俺不是就朋友把忙不去给用去，不么这边就把忙不去给用去，那不做了呀，但是其他做上面拿了呀，其他做错了呀呗，就我们在学看得到啊，这讲就当时那个是的，或者就我们在学看的这个当不的是，他米当下呗，那米他跑到没当下呗，跑到我们，但在学的就了吧，他的给钱钱，这个查的了呀，当不的是。자들이야 남쪽으로 했어. 자들 가는 남쪽에 있는 너무 나가 가는 남쪽에 있는 가서 남쪽으로 했어. 남쪽도 사네. 아니 자디 야저 예주 담바 미 담도 지부지냐. 미다 제분도 사나 저와 대라베 자디 대 제보여 봐. 야저 예주 담바 들이야 관주지 가서 미리야 아니 가서 지 제바다 두바다 지 가와다 아니 지 상와다 년와다 지사들이 초예부 능신 고란제 엔디 야보도 아다 딘 제부민도 사를 지고 초예부 체세 엔비 야세 제주 담아 튕고요 야세 제주 야세 제주 튕산다 구주다 다 튕나마든 개바스 감도 제다들이 인도산에 안에 데레를 지게 세리가 다시 샤르스 대체 인도산에 뭐마지 뒤름이 쉬나도 아이나 어다지 둔줄래야 지금 저와 열에서 좀 하다베 디베 십자 부주写信요 만났어. 저와 유로 유단 같이 입어. 십자写信요 만났어. 다 인비는 예사들을 지 가서다. 부주 다제로 제제. 근데 이제지 되버리자. 디소를 제는 단 도나. 간다지那所以这个厕所了呀，人堂堂，按他那些就主要先了呀，那自古前呢，古上去，俺这个规矩啷到了前地那了呀，让给，主要先给，那就电话的东西来，俺就多过钱钱，先给东西三万的，先给电话主要的，真的这个多过钱钱，真的这个规矩啷到了前途穷一米呢，那这些人干出来的。그러지 심지어 제동 모델이 뭐지 그런 지구를 이겨도 그러지 용으로 봐. 나 이미 내가 저 그지 구조랑도 제하기 근데 지게 남주 표도 중앙지 예배 이내야 남주 그 배주 당하고 아니 야휴르부터 충다 주지 조조的就是让人给 삼으로 제다 아니지 소소지 디나로 레베지 소소기 안 trou보다 안 빈자 가시를 주지 어다 되게 되지 야를 저 간데 고도 지 삼다로 안 되게 되지 동해 중부에는 지 세아 탑시자 소치 된제지 마도베 내내 야를 시게지 어다 되지 소소기 년화도 예배 단도라지 전부님 지리야베 베 냠도 롱주신베 안 좋아 신다 되게들이야 에너지 대화도 동해 같이 용어도 대야 대화도 동해 중부대 코로나 주기 가르쳐야지 지금 노르제 코로나 주지 노르제 코로나 소리야 아니지 동해를 중요해 있는데 다 반지베지 그 아주 되게 주도해서 매대에서 시 지지는 동경을지 이미는 내면 이미체네 고줄이야 동해 영화디 자왕 아술 조미리리아 때네 동해의 중대비 임지 딘조 미지 디나로야 아니 소소 개발지네 디나 취여버지 다들 지금 상으로 따지고 승부를 램비나 량여되버지다 아니 지금 란도샤 여되버지 제데 이내 다다 아주 지금 란도로 개베 가서 자견의 신도의 충차버지다 대야지 란든 이체 란진지 전등 연경 근데 지기베가 자견 춘춘 지나로야 삼다마도 자신부 삼다마도 대균선 되네 아주 본인 돌이야 미드미 버룰이네 예주마고 정한테 가래 미다 좋아싱이 버룰이네 예주마고 정한테 가래 미다 안 코요 버룰이네 다 간용 망보지 정한테야지 아주 지 삼로 무소 도와줘 삼바 야게 뭐도 다 내질 때는 좋은 맨로 선선을 주죠
So, for instance, even in the case of a tiny being like an ant and a huge being like that of an elephant, while there is, of course, a very apparent difference in terms of the size of the body, but the fact that both possess life, and from that point of view, should there be really difference, and is there any fairness in thinking that since some beings are so minute, so little, that they're not worth our sort of attention. They're just simply should be object of neglect and not worth our caring. Or sometimes, as it's being said, or the word goes around that some of these beings have not much like feelings, so to be hurt. Fish, sometimes talk about fish or some other beings, they really don't have so much in the ways of feelings, or therefore the pain, and so therefore it's like almost it doesn't matter if they get hurt, harmed or destroyed, because they don't possess any such strong feelings and pain and what have you. So along this line, I maybe mentioned that there is an article based on some scientific research. Probably you are aware of it, number of you, and so anyway, I just bring it out here. And it is said that in some scientific research, it was done that a lot of pictures of different pictures of many different boys or young men were collected, and then a number of girls were invited to select as to, in their view, who among these the pictures of the boys is the most sort of the handsome or the good-looking, and so the picture was picked out, and the same thing was done, and a lot of pictures or photos of young women or girls were picked out, and a number of boys were called to choose as to who they thought among them from the picture was the most good-looking or beautiful-looking the woman or the girl, and so the two pictures were picked out, and then there were these two pictures these pictures were taken to the chicken, and the chicken were asked through whatever experimentation, and they were also asked to choose, in their opinion, that who was the most good-looking guy and the girl, and 80% of them also picked the ones that the boys and girls had picked out. The chicken also picked the same, basically, essentially, and so probably anyway, this the research is seen to be somewhat very telling when it comes to the observation as to good looking and not good looking, when it comes to the feelings of joy and pain or good and bad, that there is certain amount of sort of commonality among beings, and even as recent as maybe in the 20th century, probably easy conclusions were drawn that, well, most of the living beings who cannot sort of communicate or utter that do not really possess much in the way of feelings, that is, feelings in terms of being able to feel pain or otherwise. And so anyway, given that as we learn more, that with the ability we have, it should be but evident that any form of life or living beings should be valued and should be respected. That any being that outside of human beings is also respect worthy, and that we should have recognize or have some consideration or sensitivity towards such. And it becomes even more critical knowing that when it comes to the ability for discernment, both in attitude and action, we have great potentials as human beings to be able to do a lot of good in that sense. But when it comes to the actual operation or action, that we are just simply caught up in our own the self-interest and selfish the interest in terms of fulfillment of what we want, and at the best our consideration goes towards only our immediate circle of friends or families, and failing to recognize that in this world that all living beings, all of us, interdependently live together, and that is sort of use the world together, and therefore that there needs to be included in the picture of our consideration. And even more so, that these beings are suffering, that these beings are experiencing whatever difficulties, if it were only their mistakes, their own mistakes, well, maybe we could have some sort of reason to be able to say, oh, that's too bad, it's just they're suffering because of their own, mistakes. But as we should know, most of the sufferings that all these different beings with whom we share the planet, the world, suffer as a consequences of our human actions, as a consequences of our lack of our human consideration. And so in this way, that when we talk about a lack of our human consideration, or because of the harm of our human actions, we must recognize that one also is one individual among the human community who has made his or her own share of contribution of harm. And so therefore it is that untoward our abilities that we can become so short-sighted and so limited in our outlook and just simply get caught up and veiled in fulfilling selfish interest. And so therefore presently the world is where it is at because of the untoward relationship between human to human, between human to other living beings, that is animals, and human to environment. And it is a result of the short-sightedness or the lack of far-sighted vision and the lack of being able to use the ability of more encompassing the positive discernment that we actually can have.
단이와데 대발가에 텐줄미 류자와데 최외 탐매기 류스 시로파스 지전 당기 오마데 밀류사데 지당은 아주 밀류 토바점이야 고마시 조매로 다리데는다 텐줄기 밀류베 최주베 류된 상마지 톱네 엔다지 된도베 가스트다 노빌린도 치네 안 라바 동발 라바는 신세네 엔다가다 저 최주베 덴비존서 버서비네야 안들려야지 최주모도 체체 안 타메글 시를 시알 방법도스 더 도스 지 삼담이 있는데 구규르지면서
So the second of the 10 losses, this pure human body with its freedom and resources are so difficult to possess. It is lost in ordinary physical death without dharma. And so from reading this, maybe we can say that the first point concerns with just human birth, and then therefore we can think that the second point concerns about precious human birth, that is endowed with the qualities and the favorable conditions to be able to practice Dharma. And so given that if one is fails to put this to use with the appreciation of what it is worth, then it would be like the example of one had the opportunity to be in the Jewel Land, and yet returning from the Jewel Land empty-handed without being able to bring Jewel back home.
아니 숨바디 니메 주기 미지 유중 유통 유점데 되면 샤벨라 세도가 아 하나 주 뒤니망아도 하다 미지 유노다 직전에 세통으로 침발했어요. 네 직전에 저기 매주 둥게래 세고 둥게는 좀 뭐예비 뉴스안에 안디사 지금 세베 세 디스 토론 중에는 지 조진지 셰리도 와 배는 누적이야 계급 가시 남 등상 아니 로겜베 나 로나 스베 지기디 망아 용아지 누지 망아 유에데 니주지 시도 와 호가라서나 로침부대 로 дү주 계주도 와 대체 아니 나도 이제 그 로충어제데 용어제 로체데 망아지 지사 시도 와 나도 누지 시에나 야면은 세통으로 침발했으나 다 야면은 치외계만도 침발 인상 안다지 미지 유동 윤접의 직시에는 저거면로 치외계 안에 망어였지 그래 주제기 답변은 미망오지 변하지 바바서로 모제서로 나도 이제 주제 진행가 사별이 되기들이야 배주다 망도마도 주요하래 아니 나나지 세게 토하는 시합이네 대사지 시리 망보질이야 독단 제제 아 된제가 토하네야 고 가서에 나서 점이 용대야 내암 점이 용대야다 고 가서에 달라바도 대사 지다 니리 점이 점고 쥐트매비 니리 점이 망고 용대도 와 다 된제 되기들에 지금 다음에는 다 간다 치외계 망와 유에대봐 다 마신에 지 지와입니다 바래 님의 뒤내래 님의 뒤 마이내래 지와입니다 바래 안디 돌아자 님의 뒤디 에는 간다 치외계 망와 유에버 지금 삼다 좀으로 되제 뉴스다 되제 지게 망와 유순계 용와 되제게 되주라 이미냐 단도지 소소소지 가서 미슬이야 아니 가서 진탕당 아니 취수 좋아도 마통 시체 아니 저 되매베 자와는 거 이네 아니 취수 가서 미스 샌드라디 시도네 방법을 했습니다.
The third point, this brief human life in the age of decadence is lost and used up in meaningless activities. So this during the time of during degenerate times that there's talk about the human lifespan is shorter and but on the other hand living in the time that we live in with all support for life facilities available in the way of food and medical different medical facilities that it's being said that people live longer than before and in former times and it is also I think being said that when you look at the statistics in some of the Western countries that there are more that older people percentage-wise than younger people, just an indication of that how many people have lived very long life. And so from that point of view it seems a little bit contrary. Yet from the point of view of the fact that now the world we live in and in the fast-paced world of technology and with all these machines, even in the form of the transportations, be it motorcycles or cars, whatever, the risk and the danger is for life is higher than ever, and even in the case of the food, and because of the way it's processed, and the different toxic or elements that becomes part of the food, and so this also, of course, is endangering and threatening the life. And then, as indication of time of decadence, there are also a number of unknown, yet at the same time uncurable diseases. So maybe from that point of view, yes, this life is brief and subject to so many the obstacles, and not only in general that it is evident one's life is impermanent, and in particular the number of causes that contribute towards having increased, and so from that point of view, that this life which one has is very short, and then it has all the difficult, risks or challenges, and so while one has it, and it makes all the sense that one does not allow it to go waste with all kinds of frivolous activities, and that so that it ends up achieving no substantial meaning or purpose at all.
다 요즘에 아주 진짜서 맞다니. 난 mesela simsimde 만드지 simle 팬미 벤심데 시험인다. 다도야 란심 추구人心 追매的 유튜버 코리안 담도 칭도 방스. 다 란심 추구 배 지금人心 왜서서는这个没了。야면에 변은 지가나 저人心里的当被研究的这些，那这里呀你送不能行。人心，从这就人心养的这样的个路，人心养的样的就啥不就人心上给啥就把这，那么下来这些现在这边就瞧不着这面着，但多呢，全大多了呀，那看到这什么人心越啥哇，这人心比你的什么了呗，大什么越啥哇，提前的前边一米呢，呢，是不是他们这上给你？但呢，很讲，路路去面就是，所以就啥呢？大伙，他现在前边人心那不是特别，他现在前也没呢。我看到这那不是特别，这上给的，也不是热的，因为那样，呢，当然就去个路路呗，去面这边就啥呢？呢，看到这口味的。담 지 거래기 담도네 침벌도 좋아도 와 이리서 담도나 지 소수 진제베 가서다 지 정신 치매 진지 인기라 지 추베 치매 재선 장네 아니 추버 감성 공안들이야 진시 캬ම්거 근데 지다 이 교회 니수 총부디 아니 신도네 이 방법레스 지 소수수 지 삼당당 두스면 줘 okay.
So the next one is this mind whose nature is the Dharmakaya, beyond elaboration, is lost and mired in the swamp of samsaric confusion. So Zulenis was just began saying that...
No. Direto. Okay.
I'm now becoming more concerned about finishing this as opposed to becoming concerned about how beneficial it can be to the mind. But anyway, that so in connection with this, that the fundamental nature of all beings is enlightened, and that being so, and from the point of view of that, the ultimate nature or the fundamental nature of the mind is luminosity that is fundamental nature of all the being's mind is Buddha. Yet because of the veil of so-called sudden obscurations that is not nature to the mind, and then because of the illusion of or confusion that one does not recognize that. And so knowing that one's nature of mind is Buddha, and getting caught up in all kinds of samsaric notion of the reality is getting further caught in the sort of the swamp and muck and mire of samsara. While it's become apparent, yet to allow oneself to be carried by samsaric outlook is a source of sort of a tremendous it's a source of tremendous regret, and a cause of tremendous regret, because it's like the loss is irreparable. So from that point of view, one need to awake to the fact that one's nature, one's mind is enlightened, and not to be not to hold to the illusion of it as the reality.
Whoa. 다가 찬 차스만디 차를 슈견 좀 두다 다들에 에네 베젯 바샤 다적 상을 식당에 다가르죠 맞지 다리 네 차가라 가버리셔 차는 슈견데 아시다 은선이 베 가르네 칙 주서지만 더 지신다게 가르죠 된 가르쳐다 지 소소지 삼는지 체도야 다 가라하버시샤 제자 고더리 시험도네 제마 걸리걸 못튀네 얘들이 가르쳐다 지 송주 서마를 최세를 자디 에는 로직 나로래야 뒤식 조체 뒤식 조 뒤식 조 나로래야 아네 다 중니지 뉴스안에 다와 숨숨 나로를 말왜 다와 숨숨으로 찍어오거다. 안에 순위 중지. 다와 숨숨 나눠려야 안 팅을 지차를 충분히 나스. 아 마음발라 그리글지 까담베 슝축. 엄마지 꾸준 여름 지역에 지 까담베 슝축이 천년들이야. 두고 치면 나지. 근데 지 천년 조금 유로 지균 공부돼서 에 세션 전에 이제 가서 지균배 나다 롱균배 나 이제 제가 차게 꺄나미브레 안에 다나시 다낭에 주변에 지금 다목의 윤리 안에 가사 초진 이게 안에 당만 역시 나게 집이 인두산에 까담비 슝데들이야지 천년 지 제트야를 충분히 야보면 로스 안드레 인두산에 담마시 나랑 다나 주변에 지 소소시와 다 민치 통동적이지 민치와 만도 통동버지 마도 개요 말도 이미네 야지 민치와 지미 뉴스디 규제를 되네야 가던 비숑이 저 통예를 제비입니다 엔디지 슈겐 상보를 태명의 성제 마음벌에 저 가던 비숑 중이냐면 천년도 지 베토나서 드립 제물에 로 나와 숨지 나눠야지 가던 비숑을 지 천년을 제토나서 다들들지 마음배 제시지제 나 마음배 뉴시다 수유다야 된데미도다 아니 그두시 된데미도 다들 망고시에 먹었지 단 도나 다들이 차에 가보 인자 당 아주 르르체 아니 다들이 뉴스는 다들이 양이 인 디스바시잖아. 다들이 야 중지시야 되는 되지.
So it is quite apparent that we will not be able to finish during the time we have the teachings on the precious garland of the Supreme Path. So it seems quite pointless to rush into it, and we may just simply get caught up in trying to wrap up in words, but not much in terms of substance. So it is quite clear that I will not be able to finish it, and there is therefore no point in working towards that goal. And maybe we, in due time, we can complete the teachings on this. So initially, I had this thought that in the course of a year, I could provide some series of teachings, maybe once every 3 months, and so on a quarterly basis, or that season based. And also this was to a great extent inspired by I have heard that the 6 main treatises on the Kadampa tradition, and His Holiness Dalai Lama recognizing the importance of it, and that in order to maintain the continuity of the lineage of oral transmission, instruction, and so forth, painstakingly had, in a course of long period, fulfilled that. And now, when we address the teachings of Gambopa, then obviously that when we talk about Gambopa and this his unique position of presenting the union of the Kadampa and Mahamudra teachings together, and so I felt that it would be also of great interest, therefore, that we familiarize ourselves with this voluminous work of teachings on the Kadampa tradition, and learn also that delve into it further. And in my own case also, I'm in a position where one carries somehow a big name, even though lacking substance in meaning, or being empty in meaning. Nevertheless, that just because of the name, maybe one feels some sense of responsibility, and in terms of the paying tribute to the voluminous work of the Kadampa teachings, and therefore, anyway, so without going into so much detail, and it's in some sense not much point in inviting the future too much, because obviously future is evidently uncertain. But one thing seems to be evident is that we will not be able to finish this time, and so why put any intensity into it, and just best to maybe relax.
말씀이 잘하니. 알지? 딱 그 오늘 릴렉스 그 했던 것도 다 이거랑 아람세 다 라고 말해서 입니다 아버지. This Mac tell me something. You just relax or something. Bezos me raw.当然，是去个人是这边去把高原当中青岛巴士，他给的吃的是多，对，那都这样，让是去个因为等俺那种我家车嘛送，啊这，但电车的是那老过去路这个趟呢，那边那下车吧嘛，到边我车吧，但这人有的开，那퍼리 빵게 사드래, 퍼리 빵게 인지나 가지고 교육 기라선다. 아니 다 조디 아 손안 들으시오니도 아주지 밀레아 정신이 생계기 유엔데 마고시에 됩체 이비네 되지 루부루지 쿠요다 안다나 신베 아니 지소하다 안다나 지지 김장 되게 배지 다 깨나 예래야 대체 랑기 생기 유엔데도 마 딥도 여버지 되지 능 주지 신년되어서 네가 그랬잖아 빼랑 아주 준 거리야 이거만 내가 뭐 시작하라디 되게 진이 모르지 당 아주 준 거리야 만에 쉬는 신 애는 아주 배율이야 아니 하장 롱고제 아니 저번에 제가 아니 베지 조리기 튕고스게 요 말에 다들 지 7월에 수지 sabje nyomsikia sorodene nyunyushitare 즉 송제자 그래도 nyunyushitare 다 조조지 사실 다랑기 지 가셔বে 지 다 통공사 dinriya 초tab리야 denche ene so과로 저거 디나는 조지 심쟁기 튼제리야 denche 심쟁리 좀 지금 샤마 투사 dinriya denche so과로 그러지 다 되게 심쟁리 튼제리 마 사주마사야 마 기체 근데 봐 신버도 봐종 아니 신버도 자는 주지 루리들이 녀 근데 저 소도 잘 시다게요 만에 다 근데 인도산에 다 조지 심쟁리 튼제 된거 인도산 심쟁리 세고 요아래 제장 아주 땡같이 시에샤 두줄지리 레두산 땡가 시에샤 두줄 레두산 심쟁 망부 아니 심쟁 고라등 아스네 지고라지 가서 디디 디샤이 지고 가서 민족 제샤바 디게 아니 고 아주 보여를 저 루서들이야 아니 아주랑 그 마세 제제 아니 미들 러거 아주 소소세는 디고 차야 지 미시다선 디고 메가로 지 리지 삼을 땅 삼 괜찮을 줄 제가 아니 재미들이야 재미래가 내는데 어다 되게 되게 다제는 고조야 세주 된들산에 소사 세주산 아주 좋은 거리야 고라지 소사가 못 세면 근데 제베 거리야 아주 세단으로 딱보 추도 담제 소자가 추도 봐 담니 세들 봐 다들 주주 제가라서 구유스다 우체야 하다 되지 스마 나한테도 로시 대신하스래 아주 마셔버리 시다요네 봤을 때 지금 바르체 야 총자게 지금 담는 지들이 마셔버리 니지 소지다 니지 진이보다 게 말해 돼 이면이지 마셔버리 자와 마셔버리 이제 용대 아 다다 지도 차인 뉴스안에 곧 있으면 천안 침보르지도 마시지 소소 딸 로dom나디 링이야 로종 마제선에 지 제야래 지 칸도연 계조로 마제선에 지 제야래 이미네 애는 디두기지 집어 춘춘 디기 애는 지 자와 되는 대세베 윤대로 강강 깨마서 하다야 간다 급디도 산다 간다 고 생기에서는 좀 랑기 강기 자와 쇼스부터 깨면 저다 되지 소수 이제야 이제 잘해야 되지 생기에 윤대로 지버질이야 하나 이제로 두세리 다 이미네 고 섬제세 자래 섬제세도 자 바고 쉬 아니 아니 샤드 주베 가셔야다 아니 샤드이 봐 지켜 가르치체 아니 지 나트에서 망로체 아니 선이 사는 두산에 아디베 대딩에 질 나요 아 대대 대딩에 질 나요다 아 배디 인샤샤지 사가지고다 계속 급 디두산에 지 쿨류다 에너지 수균이 공시리야 지 샤사 공시디 시다 매비나 네 랑기 랑기도 바지 샤사 네버시다 매베 소시래 다 이메 kuyu 수균 kuyu koran 지지 마도 매베 인두산 지 소소 샤산데 매비나 안 다지 소소사제 마세네는 kon 지 바바한테 주한지 가리 접시로 다 드네비직 제 인두산하고 ku유로 지다 ku유다 아니 지 수균 공시로 되게 어디 사공개 소리 대지 사대 교회 뭐지 문제 제모도 되면서 연이도 다들 가라서는 지 수균 공시에다 또 루루 집에서 드레스 맨로다 제 교황어망어마 지 예토만 지스바 가르쳐비 시베 토만 지삼단 지도 깔아 가버버다 다 이미지 세터리 원도 쉐비나 벌써 들리 인스 다 다대원 다당 지삼단 지사 세나 계고야 지레샤 그 뒤산에 가서 로사급이야 루그 거들 사지 봐 루그 거들 세 다다지 루그 거들 바 통인 뒤산에 다들 안 미이사 말에 제 루그 거 디나는 루기 미디 심심을 제사 아주 다 루기 미디 지 잡로디 지 샤르 지 치르 제브체 심심을 다다지 삼단 뒤산 다 디스던 녀도 인사르다 간다디디 수균당 소외 공시에다 얼쿠유 되게들이야 대세 그 루르기 디메스는 다도 루르기 디메스는 다도 니지가 봐 딥시 정신 생겨래야 아니 버르버들이야 자와지 중국 예배 이내야 되지 루르기 디메스 딥시 근데 그 가르쳐지 니지 째데 공배도 알아야고 강고 챙겨서 연이도 그래도 아주 단하지 여래 저 중뒤네 미카세 지 정신이 쌤게 와야 된 게 근데 이미네야 양고지 조봉에 받는 체 아니 하나지 개개 왜 개회신이 로고를 된데다 체제 근데 주기지 가르쳐 봐요 로가 준줘야 되니 어디 다 대소 가르쳐주잖아 가르쳐야 네 라당기 손대야기 애네 가르쳐심 가자 아슴상게 인자 안에 최배왕도 신년 고연담을 진술을 써야 돼 벤스는 충주를 때 자초 맨로 섬정도 다 들으시제 다른 게 뇽지다 뇽지 소쇼 make short
So in connection with that earlier line in terms of how the nature of one's mind is dharmakaya, yet one get caught in the incidental circumstances of the swamp and muck and mire of samsara. And so when talking about how that the nature of one's mind is dharmakaya, well, having no experience, there is not much to say about it other than, of course, what's being laid out in the texts and treatises as to what it is. And it's like the saying that so it's like saying the green meadow, and on the other side, the green grass on the other side of the fence, like that. And so, No, not much to be said about that. But the other aspect of how we get caught up in the muck and mire of the samsara, and it should probably, we should appreciate the fact that fundamentally we have many wholesome qualities, or many wholesome qualities are inherent. Yet, because of the environment, because of the community, and maybe because of even the immediate family that surrounds us, that we, in the context which we are raised and grow up, then these fundamental wholesome potentials get sort of veiled. And so along that line, I just tell you more like a story, and that is about myself. Maybe I have told this many times, so maybe it just simply amounts to only old talk. But nevertheless, when I was very little, and I was brought up in a nomadic family, and that also in a very, very remote nomadic family. So there is very little in the way of material facilities or resources, or for that matter, even that things that come into that remote nomadic place or village, and so people are pretty much almost exclusively dependent on the livestock that one has, and be it the flesh or the butter or the cheese, whatever that is produced by the livestock that one has. And sometimes that the same things that one partake of, one also barters with farmers for grains, and again the proceeds from these different livestocks. And so in this way, that what is there is so very little. So one is dependent on the whatever the animals, the domestic animals that one has, and then living on them, and then the time for slaughtering the animal is a sort of seasonal one. There is a time to slaughter the animals, and prior to slaughtering them, actually they have been sort of marked. You have marked that these are the animals that are going to be slaughtered, and then there is also this kind of illusion that if you don't kill yourself, then that's less harmful, or you accumulate less harm, and so therefore there's custom of hiring others, and so the at that time we had some our Chinese nationalities who have migrated to that part, and then they are known to the of that professional, and so hire them to do that. And but one of the ways the animals are killed in Tibet is by tying around the mouth with a rope, and so that then it's a very of course torturous way of killing, because it probably takes about at least half an hour for them to then die. And when I was seeing those things, probably I was around 4 or 5 years old, and it was a very painful thing to a witness, and I remember jumping around and crying and maybe just expressing my own feelings of disturbance, that how unbearable the situation is. And even after so many years now, recalling that, also I cannot but help that painful feelings or anxieties I used to have those days, and they seem to be rather vivid. Then it has been, at least for me, many years, and during which time I had pursued, done certain amount of study of the Dharma, and done certain amount of practice of the Dharma, but nevertheless that I can say not for a moment that I have any experience all this time as the one I had when I was little, that sense of sort of natural, a genuine compassion or feelings similar to that arising out of the concern. So anyway, so there's, it makes me think about that we have inherent many wholesome qualities, and then over time there's chances of them, because of the circumstances, getting buried or veiled. And so, for instance, when the animal was being killed, I explained my feelings. But after they were, slaughtered and this, skinned, and then brought out all the internal organs and everything, exposed, and then brought home and put into whatever different classes of the ingredients, and then cooked and ready to be served, and to for the round table or whatever circle of people. And I have to admit, I was one of the people present in that circle, and was partaking, eating, and what I initially dreaded, even the sight of it. But when it comes to sitting on the floor or I'm on the circle, I was one of the person partaking of it, and but left to myself, and I don't think I had that desire for wanting to really partake of that the meat and what have you, and a great sort of like a desire for such, and but because of the circumstance, the environment, and then we might even say that if you don't eat, your parents getting upset, you're not eating the food, what have you, and so forth. And so that's why I'm bringing this issue of the environment, about the prevailing custom within a particular context, and the environment. And so when we talk about the sudden veils or confusion, which is not natural to our potentials, probably we really in a way don't need to go so far as in former lifetimes having done that such and such activities, therefore having accumulated the karmic veils and so forth, which maybe some of us might have difficulty even believing in that. But on the other hand, just talking about this particular lifetime and the conditionings because of society, because of customs, is enough to veil whatever wholesome potentials that we could otherwise bring forward. And along the same line that I also recall and have probably said this earlier also that it's customary in the new year, and especially you again for celebration, and more lives are killed, destroyed, and then especially there is the head of the sheep. That is regarded some big deal, and put up, and then you eat the head of the sheep, and you take the eye from the socket of the eye socket, and and the layers around the eye is supposed to be very delicious and so forth, and it's just amazing. And right now, even when I look at a picture of what was done or used, it just it's quite like that say some sense of shock one begins to experience. So independent of an environment that contributes towards availing one's potentials, one's fundamental nature is maybe unlike that, and so therefore the potential or the ability to churn up and have great compassion by the circumstances get buried away. For instance, it happens that an individual, a young person, by nature is a very kind and very sort of a sensitive person, but because of the association with the wrong kind of people or friends, and for that matter, and anyone in the name of teacher who has the ability to mislead one and misguide one, and because of the influence of that, and one's basic potentials can become veiled. So these issues are, a matter of consideration.